Hi and welcome in this new dinner table talk video where I'm going to do a review, and this time it's this wood cabin. If you previously saw my the last live stream I did, you probably can see how I unboxed this whole thing, all the bricks inside and everything, and start the build actually. And yeah, it's finished by now. I did on my Instagram updates on how the building process goes, but yeah, it's finished. So I want to show you the whole model finished and well. Because it's such a big model, I'm not sure how to fully do this in the right way, but yeah, I will try to do it like this a little bit with the camera in my hand. And yeah, hope to let you see how this thing works. Before we go in, let's check the outside. Looks very interesting, use of color. And oh, I didn't mention before, this is built with bricks. So these aren't original Lego bricks, so therefore you might see parts that doesn't even exist in Lego, because it's a third-party brand bricks. As you can see, no Lego, a lot of dust, but no Lego on the studs, brand on the studs. But yeah, interesting outside. What I think is a little bit disappointing compared to the Lego normally, if you buy normally Lego modular buildings, is that the rear, oh, someone fell off the couch. But the rear is open. It would have been cool if it was closed, then it would be more in line with the Lego modular buildings. But yeah, pretty cool. Looks, if I say so myself, I really think it looks really cool, and I like the wood panels on it. And if you probably can't see it, but these are stickers, but they are on a kind of weird way. And you must take a look at the live stream video that I did, because you can see better how they are applied. They are like some kind of rub-off kind of sticker, so they are really good textured on it, and not like, I'm not sure if I can focus it right. If you can see, there isn't like a square sticker, but it follows the pattern on it. Very cool way of using stickers. Well, we have the front porch. In the front porch we have, oh, I just wrecked the tree. Whoops. We have a little rocking chair. Looks nice. Don't think it's possible to have a minifigure sit on it, but it looks nice. We have we have an opening door right there. We have two of those roof windows, which are actually attached like this. And let me pull them off so we are able to look in a couple of seconds. Interesting, two little nice, there are LEDs all over this cabin. I didn't mention that already, but nice little sub models to build. And we have the big roof we can pull off like this, and like you can see, there are several wires for LEDs running through this. And now you have a great look at the top of the top floor, and I can also take that off, but it's a little bit more stuck than the roof. Let me see. Yeah, I think I have it. Yes. So that's the top floor. Now you have the ground floor, which contains, the top floor has like a bed, little desk, little night light thing going on, little cat, and stairway to the lower floor. And here we have more detail, like an Very interesting kitchen with lots of nice details. Use of stickers that are equal almost to printed parts. Little cabinet over here. I'm not sure if I can, no, impossible for me to open with my fat fingers. Little sink, microwave or no oven, I think. Little dining table, 4 chairs. And we have the living room with a bookcase, some wood for the furnace, I think. No, I'm not sure how to call this. I have no idea how to call this thing in English. No idea. Some record playing, cassette deck, cabin. No, how do you call it? Yeah, no idea. Sorry, I have to leave you with that. And of course, my little sick fig, little Chris over here sitting on the couch. And interesting is, you have a door over here. Normally I would open it like this, but this one is sliding. So your little Lego people can go into the bedroom. And in the bedroom, there's a lot of ways for the lights. But we have a toilet, a bath, so like this, a sink and a mirror over there, lights and a towel. Nicely detailed. And the door can, of course, fully close. It's a little bit tight. Interesting way of building, brick building a door. Might have used an easier way with just a door piece, but okay. Over here, interesting building technique. Over here with the windows, and over there to attach those windows. The weird part, this part I've never seen before. Maybe it is possible in Lego. That's studs on 2 sides. Never saw it in Lego brand, so maybe it is there, but I just don't know. And yeah, in the bottom, no, how do you call it? In this, here's a hatch. If you open it, often breaks, but if you open it, it feels a little stairway. No, it broke. Okay, let's leave it like that for now. Yeah, you get to the cellar, that's the right word. And I can take it off, but I need 2 hands to do it. So I will take it off camera and show you inside of the cellar. Okay, I took it off and I have to keep it up with just 1 hand, so I can't have this all too long, because all the wires of the LEDs come together in this little connecting brick, and goes from here into the battery pack, which is all included if you buy this set. That's pretty awesome. Some food over here. Yeah, nothing more to see here, but yeah, let me put on the light so you can see what this battery pack is providing its energy to. We have one little light in the cellar, and outside in the wood storage we have 2 lights, but we also have, let me put this all back in its place. Okay, wreck the tree again. One thing I don't like about this is that this floor is attached with just 2 studs on the front, and makes it very wobbly and often go disconnect. But yeah, that's probably easily fixed by adding some more, replacing some of the tiles over here with some stud pieces, so it will stay on more. Okay, let's see the lights. I have my lights on. As you can see in the bathroom, there's a light. We have a burning, is this a stove? Is that the correct word? I don't know, but we have like wood, yeah, wood burning over here. Further, it doesn't seem to have more light over here, but interesting is this little connection part, and on the top floor we have this part over here. It goes on top of that, and therefore, or with that, let me see if I can get it on without messing up too much. If I attach this right, and you see, we give energy to the lights up here, and they also light the ground floor. with more light, so you can actually see very sweet light. Those exact same outside light over here, two outside lights here with your wood storage. One thing, yeah, all the lights here, like the desk light and the night light, but you also have two of those connection over here, and those are for the LEDs in these parts of the roof. But I don't know if I did something wrong or I can't make the connection right, because I can't be able to make it burn. The lights, LEDs, which are inside of this. No LEDs inside of the roof, just roof structure, but it can easily be fit on top of this. And just like I said, I might have done something wrong in the building process, because when I want to fit these parts on the roof, they don't light up, they just don't make connection. It's probably my fault, or the whole construction isn't the best. And another thing that I'm a little bit annoyed about is these roof parts are easily disconnected with the roof, but that's probably because all the wires running through this, it doesn't make connection with those two studs at all. It's a little bit annoying. So this one is often not staying on and tends to come leaning forward. A little bit of a shame, because overall I really love the looks of this wood cabin. I think it's really huge. It's built on a 32 by 32 base plate, so you can imagine how big it is. It isn't much smaller than a regular modular city building, but yeah, it's really cool. I did several days to build it, always a few steps. In the live stream video which I unboxed it, you can see that it's built with a really cool clear printed manual, instruction manual, which also notes which number bags you need. So very highly or recommended, I wanted to say, but very good quality way of shipping this. Oh no, it's not, it's the light from the desk. I just thought, hey, the light got on. I have to give you an opinion about this whole set. It's from Funwall, and it's on their website. I put a link in the description. You can buy this set for 99 euros, like almost 100 euros, but you get a lot of pieces, a lot. Yeah, just look at it. It's more than, I thought it's like 2,300 pieces or something like that. And you get a lot of it for that money. And it's a really big building, which you get for your money. Only thing, yeah, that I think is a shame that it isn't original Lego parts. Which makes me think, would I buy it or not? Because yeah, I already talked about it in the cBricks video. You might want to look that one up, where I review the quality and what I think about buying non-Lego parts and cBricks especially. And this one is built according to a producer of seller with cBricks. So I have to say, the quality of the bricks, I can't complain about that. It's good bricks. It is. It's Lego worthy. It's nothing less than Lego. Really, it isn't. But would I buy it? For the quality, yes, I would. For my collection, no, I wouldn't, because I probably don't think it really fits in my collection, because I'm more like a World War II a builder, a collector, and I think you can fit this in to a World War II mock or scene. But then again, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it looks more like what I've seen in movies and on television. It looks more like an American wood cabin, and yeah, that's said and done. It means it has no logical function in a World War II mug. Maybe you can think about a logical use, but at this moment, I'm not sure I could use it myself. But then again, like I said before, I really love this building. I really love this model. I love building it. It was a great experience. I will not take it apart. I will put it in my collection. But I wouldn't have bought it myself. That's what I'm just saying. And would I recommend it? Yes. If I would have to give it a number from 0 to 10, on a scale to 0 to 10, I would probably give it an 8 or a 9. The weak spot is an open backside. This part not good connected, but that could be my own fault. I absolutely love the way the stickers work on this one. The overall design is good, really is. It uses some very interesting technique at some places, very interesting. Maybe if I take out all the electric wires, and then this will stay on good, and yeah, it function without light functions. It will probably fit all together well. The two studs for this floor to be attached to the base, yeah, I would probably modify it if I want to, but yeah. Oh, and what I really feel a little bit weird about is the color of the leaves, of the bright green, supposed to be leaves, and the let me see if I can pick one out. These grass pieces, they look a little bit cheap, not the same quality as Lego has. But yeah, overall, I say 8.5 out of 10 for this cool design, great building experience, high quality bricks, and a very low price. So I would recommend this, and yeah, go take a look at the website. I put a link in the description of this video, and maybe you will buy it one day too. Glad you watched this video. I hope to see you in the next one. For now, bye bye.